What does kittenish mean? The word kittenish is an adjective used to describe behavior that is playful, flirtatious, or youthful, much like the lively antics of a kitten. When someone or something is called kittenish, it implies charm and energy with a hint of mischief. Definition of kittenish. Kittenish refers to a person or manner that is lively, coquettish, or playfully seductive. It can also signify youthful exuberance and a carefree spirit. For instance, her kittenish smile brightened the entire room. The dress gave her a charmingly kittenish appearance. Kittenish synonyms. Let's look at some synonyms that can enhance your vocabulary. Playful, coquettish, frisky, mischievous, flirtatious, youthful. Using kittenish in sentences. She had a kittenish charm that made everyone around her smile. The actor's kittenish performance added a touch of fun to the movie. The kitten's kittenish leaps and pounces were adorable to watch. Why use kittenish in conversation? Using kittenish in your conversations can add a unique flavor, making your descriptions more vivid and engaging. Whether talking about personality, style, or mood, this word can create a lasting impression.